I'm calm, steady. I slept well, 8.2 hours, no bad dreams. I am ready to go, ready to do my job to the best of my abilities. I am focused only on the essential to the exclusion of all else. I will make only pragmatic decisions. I will not allow myself to be distracted. I will not allow my mind to linger on that which is unimportant. I will not rely on anyone or anything. I will not be vulnerable to mistakes. Resting BPM 47. Submit.
Your psychological evaluation has been approved. As a reminder, please perform any safety.
I always wanted to become an astronaut. For the future of mankind and all. At least that's what I always told myself. I see myself from the outside. Smile, present a side. It's a performance. With my eye on the exit. Always on the exit. Just don't touch me.
Take care, Major. Be careful.
Thanks for that.
Roy, Bravo Coast's got a robotic arm on 93 Echo. There's a piece malfunctioning. We're gonna need you to take the team down there and check it out. On some diagnostics, over.
Copy that. Heading that way.
Good morning to our astronauts up there on the International Space Antenna. Sure is a beautiful day. Just perfect to try and contact our distant neighbors out there in the heavens.
At least it's comfortable out here. Space, I understand.
Control and visual on the arm, over.
Affirmative, Major. Should be.
Copy that. Moving to the unit now. Control, I'm seeing the power surge on C-post. You getting that?
Roger.